Welcome to my channel.
So we're gonna do that. Yeah, so the new character they got is this freaking super cool girl, Railgunner. She's like a sniper. That's it. She's a sniper. But she's really good because like she's really powerful and she's cool. And then they got this dude. I don't know who this guy is. So maybe we can unlock him in this stream. What does it even say? What does it say? Escape the planetarium or complete wave 50 in simulacrum? What do those mean? We're gonna try to get this though. I wanna try to unlock her stuff. As Railgun will deal 1,000,000 damage in one shot. It's a lot. So basically, oops, I still think I'm in Fortnite. She's got a sniper, as you can tell, and then when you shoot it, you reload it by clicking like a timed thing. Like boom right there, and then it reloads faster. So you can do another shot really quickly. So that's really cool. She's got this thing that like kind of launches you. Oh, nuts. And then she's got this little thing, like homing missile shots for close combat. Which is also pretty cool, but I like using your sniper the most. Because it's just super powerful and OP. And I love snipers. You're dead. Oh, nuts. You're dead. You're dead. Trick shot. Let's go. Man, if I could be this good at like snipers in Fortnite or any other gun game, man. It would just be great. That's it. That would just be good. Make it end quicker, you know? It's not like you have a chance of surviving. Alright, let's try this. Ready for this? You see the new item? Not new item, her special. Boosh! Instant kill bosses. Holy crap. How strong is he? Shoot him. Can you shoot him? I think he's pretty strong. I would assume he's pretty strong. So cool, my little pyramid guy, my little golden pyramid. Get out here. Oh, hey there, dude. Hey, dude. Okay. Ow. Nuts. I really need to get used to this sniper. To using it. I wonder how much damage we do in one shot now. All these crowbars. I would assume a lot. But definitely not 1,000,000 yet. 5,000? Holy crap. Nuts. 6,000. So it's around 6,000 to 5,000. Okay. Oops. Oh yeah, also you have to hit in the little red box. I didn't explain that. If you hit in the little box, it's basically one shot because it does way more damage. Or it always does a critical when you hit there. Let's go. Boingo. Bango. I think we've got a lot of... Another use item? I haven't even used this one yet. Coffee. Well, that's kind of nice. Slightly increase attack speed and movement speed. Ooh. Let's just start the boss and try it out, honestly. What is there to lose? Beetle Queen! Where you at? Where the heck did you spawn? There you are. Oh! Holy crap! That did one-shot you. Hey, yo. What's good, Tyler? Oh, you're still alive. Not anymore. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Oh, hey yo, hey yo. Come on. I'm trying to kill you so I can get an alpha construct. Holy nuts. There's so many guys. I cannot. Die, please. Thank you. That is sick. Use that. Oh, we can only use it once though. Oh. Wow. Let's go through here. Gold portal. Bye. Oh, I should have used it on these guys. Oh! Yeah, you're bad. This guy's huge. All these elites. That means I'm gonna get so many alpha constructs. Or just one. For some reason. Okay. Alright, let's start up the big man. Let's get this over with. Oh, I forgot. He's got a stupid shield on. That was a waste. You can't hit this. You're too slow. Please don't kill me. Oh my gosh. How did I not kill you? Gosh dang it. Oi! Chill out, bud. I thought I activated everything. Yeah. Oh, there's one more. Nope, there's another one. This guy's annoying. Okay, now we can one-shot you. If you just hold still. Oh, I missed. Dang it. Hold on, it's gotta reload. Ow, ow. Oh, please don't kill me. No. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. This is not good. This is not good. Okay, we get one shot at this. Yo, okay. You're dead. How did I not kill you? What the heck? Oh no. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh! Don't you dare. Dude, this guy's freaking strong. When did he become so strong? You used to be weak. This guy's no joke. Alright, now we're playing around. Why are you immune? Oh, I have to activate the things again? Oh my. Hey, you're literally right on my thing. Thank you. It's gonna one-shot me, isn't it? This is not looking too great. This is not looking good at all. Oh, you little turd. You little turd! I can't heal. Please leave me alone. I'm just trying to survive. How many do I... Oh, they're over there. We got this. Easy dubs. Not even a challenge, dude. You're dead now. You're dead now. Because you're holding... How did that not kill you? Please tell me. How did that not kill you? Someone's dead. Let's go! Okay. Drone! Yes! Let's go. Bye. You little turd. Leave me alone. There's 2 drones? Yo, okay, that's a bit OP. That's really cool. I have 2 freaking drones. Big boy drones. That is so cool. Oh my rats! Holy crap! It's freaking Ratatouille, get out of here! Holy. They're scary looking. They're kind of cute, but scary looking at the same time. And they're super fast, so it's like really hard for me to shoot them with my sniper. That is not good. Jeez. Jeez, my aim, bro. My aim. Can you die? Holy crap, you stupid rat. Dude, get out of here! Holy crap. Let's go, drone. Big boy drone. Oh no. Oh gosh. I did not mean to fall. That did a lot of damage. Oh jeez. Three big drones? Holy crap. Is this my lucky day? Let's hopefully we get a yellow item with the use thing. Boingo boingo. Where you are? Boosh! And we got a yellow item. Boom! And the boss is no more. 2 yellow items? Bro, can it be done, but look at me go. Look at me go. This guy's annoying. Keep thinking that's an enemy attack, but it's my own. Let's get more drones, shall we? More drones. Ooh, big boy over here. Dead boy now. Oh, I could have used my gun thing on him. Oh, I could use it on him. Where'd he go? Where's the item? Are you kidding me? Don't tell me it's in the ground because it's a big worm. It's right there. Red item, please. Yes. What is that? What is that? Your critical strikes deal an additional 100% damage. Oh my goodness. So I'm like an extra OP sniper now. I really want to shoot something now. I don't even know how much damage that did. Oh, it's right here. Hey, big dumb. I beat the dumb. Okay, death. And then death. And then death by everything else. There we go. Okay, what do we need? What do we want? Beautiful. Let's get another drone boy. Or partner guy. Thing. Little pet. Just a little pet. Let's see. What is happening? Where am I? What the? Whoa, yo, yay. What? Who are you? You're creepy looking, dude. You know what? You deserve to get, like, absolutely obliterated. That was creepy. There's a lot of things going on right now that I... Oh my goodness, okay. I take it back about being OP. Well, why can't I go in there? What the heck? No! My big drones! They're dying! Get out of there! No! Dude. That's not cool. What is this stupid thing? Is it you? Is that your fault? What the heck? They killed all my drones. Oh my goodness. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh my goodness, what is happening? I went from OP to freaking noob. What's going on? What happened, man? Oof. And he's dead. One shot kill. Solves the problems. You need healing, dude. What's going on? Please stop killing him. Kill the elites first. Then the rest can just get one shot. Thank you. Okay. Let's see if the drone, the U-sided drone, will use it on the boss. Why did it have to be these guys? I can't use my U-side on them. They're too weak. This is sad. That's a disappointment. Maybe... well, maybe the big guy boss will be able to use it on. I'm not sure though. Gosh, I cannot. There's so much chaos. I cannot focus. Ow. Aha. Stop teleporting, please. Thank you. Gosh dang it, man. This guy green I can. Woohoo! Green! We all love green. We have to do this. Which kind of sucks, but whatever. Maybe we could do a random one. Will circle work? Okay, fine. We'll do what it says. Just trying to get another thing. Artifact. Let's go. Enemies can only spawn as elites. Oh shoot, don't tell me that artifact stays with me throughout the game. Well, actually, that might be a good thing. Because I get cool guys after killing an elite. So that might be helpful, actually. We'll see. Okay, hurt that. Where is... Come on, where are you guys? You scared? Those guys weren't elites. There we go. There's one. And there's two. Holy nuts, you're definitely elite. I could just hit you in the brains. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. What was that? Sound like a freaking train. Boom! See! That's my own. Dude, look at all the alphas. Because we're killing so many elites. Another use item. Too bad I can't use it. Let's get that. Let's get one of these again. Do 3,000 damage? That doesn't seem right. I feel like we should be doing more than that. I think we got everything. Okay, let's just end this little fiasco and get on with it, shall we? Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Oh no, don't kill me, don't kill me, what? Ah! Please don't kill me! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Holy crap! I almost died. Please stop killing me! They just got like 10 times harder. Please die. Please die. Holy nuts. Oh my goodness. Jeez. Really making me stress here, dude. Whew. Oh my goodness. Booska. Ow. Okay, we need the artifact, please. Be nice if we can get an artifact. Please. This is a bit chaotic. It's getting out of hand. Oh jeez. Don't come here. Don't come near me. Please. Spare me. Yes, another one. Come on. Come on. Whee! Holy crap. Good. I saved that. Dang it. There it is. Last one, maybe? Hopefully. Oh, we're not even close. What? Oh, jeez, you guys do a lot of damage. Holy crap. Trying to hit their weak points, but it's like so hot. These big blobs. Oh, here we go. There's one. I think one more and then we should be good. Trick shots. Dang, that was sick. Well, what did I get? Deal 1,000,000 damage in one shot? Wait, did I actually deal 1,000,000 damage? Dude, what? How? Let's go, though. I mean, freaking yeah. Another one? Oh my gosh. Another one. What is happening? Holy crap. How many? We have 24 bars. That's probably why. 24 crowbars? Jeez. Die, please. Okay, there's gotta be an artifact somewhere. There we go. Let's get out of here. Come on. Finally. Jeez. That was chaotic. But we did it. Oh, we have to get it first. Stop! Please don't kill me. Okay, we're good. Why'd I do that? Okay, get me the heck out of here. Where are we? Oh, this is the other world. Dope. This is gonna be hard, isn't it? Ain't it? I'm surprised there's not a big boss. Oh, there is a big boss. Okay, well, let's go shoot him with my thing. Did we get it? There it is. Let's go. What do we get? This boosts health and regeneration. That is good. That's what we need. Ow. Oh, you're really bad. Guy, please. Where is he? There we go. Oh, I cannot see you at all. Dang it, this stupid... There's something in here that's making it invisible. Oh, it's dead. What should I get? I haven't got that yet. Oh, hey there. I didn't even notice the beetle queen was there. Jeez. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Once again, in the wetlands. I like this place because a lot of the guys are very slow, so it's easy shots. For me sniper. Ooh, you're a big bell boy. Oh, you're a dead bell boy. Can you stop moving around like that? Freaking juking me. What?